And happy. Happy little stove. There you go. You want to be together. What a beautiful day. So we stopped at Murdoch's, which is like the greatest store in the world. Picked up this Fisker's splitting axe. And at first I wasn't sure. It's like got a hollow tube. And I was like, I'm not sure if that's gonna work.
Oh my god.
One strike split.
Amazing.
It's a lot of work. We had to bust out the DeWalt electric chainsaw. We thought we would try to cut some. So that's gonna be our task for later today.
You didn't record me peeing, did you?
Of course not.
Well, we had some logs that were really smoky.
Go pee. Do something. Get out of here.
It's gonna get smoky in here.
It's gonna be really bad. But we gotta get it figured out.
Good luck. Okay, so we had a lesson learned today. It would appear that some of this wood has a sticky resin on it. And when we put it into the wood stove, it basically built up in the pipe and caked the spark arrestor pretty much closed. But basically it caused a bunch of smoke to back up into the tent. So we don't want that, and we don't want to go to sleep with that problem. So we're trying to figure out how to solve it before it gets too cold and too dark. But we're kind of there already, so. Okay, so I found the instructions to the stove at the bottom of a box. Which I remember reading this the first time, but I think we didn't understand exactly what that meant. It says, check spark arrestor daily to ensure there is no buildup of creosote blocking the smoke from going through the spark arrestor, which is what happened.
Exactly what happened.
And then it says the spark arrestor must be cleaned every 2 to 3 days.
With what?
I don't know. It
That
doesn't say.
resiny stuff.
It's nasty.
I have no idea how to get it off.
Yeah.
Now we had to figure out how to clean it.
Come see. Come see.
It's
That's a whole lot of creosote.
completely blocked. It's terrible. And we thought we were gonna die.
Yeah.
We learned some important lessons about the wood stove that were scary and probably dangerous. Pretty much had almost all of the Mirror Lake Highway to ourselves. Whoa, and she almost won the drink. Now it's time to say goodbye and get to work.